Hey everybody, this is Mr. Corcoran, and real quick, I'm just going to show you in around 30 seconds how to connect your kids to Clever. You will hear me use the word Clever a lot, and all Clever is, it's an app in which many other educational resources are all connected to the same page. If you look right now, I'm on the MPS homepage, and if you just type in MPS, you'll be able to get it through Google search. Once I'm there, what I would have your student do, or what you can have your child do, is you're going to go to where it says students, and I'm just going to highlight over it, and all these options come up. I want the one that says tools, and the first one says student toolbox. And once you click that, it'll take you to Clever Login. You will log in with Google. And once that is taken care of, it might give you a few options if you have more than one account. But if not, then you will be connected right into the Clever library.